Hi. Today we will talk about the Auritine. With the best reviews for you, we have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy Auritine. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing Auritine. The first thing you need to know about Auritine is, be careful about the website you will buy Auritine, because Auritine is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is Auritine and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Auritine works. And after much laboratory testing, the researchers have identified that there is an all-natural blend of ingredients made specifically to identify tinnitus and its inflammatory effects on the brain and destroy it with absolute precision. Auritine is a combination of 28 plant extracts and easy-to-swallow pill vitamins that not only frees you from the constant noise in your ears, but also restores your hearing and rejuvenates your brain so that you never have to worry about memory-related diseases. It will also promote the health of other important organs, such as the heart, and strengthen your focus and overall hearing. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Auritine, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Auritine, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Auritine during 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the Auritine, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for Auritine to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You should swallow a single capsule for at least 30 days in a row, otherwise you won't see great results and you'll be really a bit frustrated. For best results, it is recommended to take Auritine for at least 80 days. Also important for you to know, Auritine has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy Auritine, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Auritine really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.